Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's learn our hook kick, or Yup Hurio Chagi.
Yup Hurio Chagi.
Once more, Yup Hurio Chagi.
Yup Hurio Chagi.
In Korean. So we're going to work on both variations, a standard stepping hook or skipping hook and a spinning hook, follow up for a more advanced technique. So standard hook, we're going to start in our fighting stance. We're going to throw a regular side kick. So bring up that load and then throw a regular side kick. Now, he's going to hook his heel around and recoil like a roundhouse kick and then put his foot down. And that happens all at the same time. Once more, nice and slow. Up, turn hook, and put it down. Now fast, ready. Hi! Hey! Good. Hi! Hey, good. And now for the spinning variation of that, you're going to do the same thing, except for you're going to go ahead and switch your feet, Mr. Durantis.
Sure.
So you want to spin to your rear leg, just like the same way as the back kick. If you find yourself in a square position, you did it correctly. If you find yourself in a crisscrossy leg position, you did not do it correctly. So spin, look, and hook.
Hey.
Good. This one generates a lot of speed. It's a very popular kick in fighting culture, and it's good for knockouts, good for really good technique. And spin, look, and hook.
Hey.
If you cannot see your target, you are throwing your hook way too soon. You have to be able to see the whole thing before you do it. Good. Now let's do a few variations. He's going to do them on a smaller pad because we don't want to tear up his knees. Good. So ready? Hook. Standard. Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Good. Spin hook. Hi.
Hey.
We all lose our balance sometime. Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Good. And that is our spin hook kick and our hook kick. So, hook kick in Korean is Yup Hurio Chagi. Spinning hook kick is Dwi Toyo Yup Hurio Chagi. Practice what you learned, make it rock.